Hi, everybody. It's Robert Kinsman with the Krause Kinsman Law Firm, here to give you your July 2024 Camp Lejeune update. So you're receiving this because you are a client of Krause Kinsman. We're representing you in your claim against the government for the Camp Lejeune water contamination. Claim is either on behalf of yourself or on behalf of a loved one who may have passed away. We've been working so diligently and hard and efficiently these last couple months and coming up on 2 years on August 10th, 2024. You are receiving this because we have either filed your claim or we are filing your claim in the very near future. So do not worry about whether or not your claim will be filed. If you're receiving this, we are going to be filing your claim if we have not already. Your claim will be filed by the August 10th, 2024 deadline. We'll continue to get updated information from you about, medical history, service records, and so on and so forth. But we will be filing your claim if we have not filed your claim already. So rest assured, we're doing everything we can here in the next month or so to wrap everything up in terms of case filings, filing your claim. Once we have your claim filed, the government has 6 months to respond to those claims before we're able to file a lawsuit. Now, the government is not responding in those 6-month time periods, so we can just wait. We can file the lawsuit. We can see if you will qualify for any potential settlement down the road. But as long as we have your claim filed, we feel comfortable that we can move you to the next step when the next step presents itself. So it's either litigation or settlement negotiation at some point. Couple quick things about what's going on, but let me rephrase everything. We are filing your claim here shortly if we have not filed it already. So rest assured on that, and feel comfortable that we're getting that done for you. If we've not filed your claim already, it's because maybe we're getting a last piece of information, but we're making sure that your claim is filed by the deadline. So litigation, right now there is a first track of illnesses that I've talked about that are in line to go to trial first. There's 5 plaintiffs chosen in each of those illnesses, so 25 total. That will be whittled down to see whose case is being tried first. You may ask yourself, why are there going to be trials? The government has admitted liability. We know the water was contaminated. Well, the government hasn't necessarily admitted full liability, and they want there to be a showing of general causation and specific causation. So we have to have the judge decide that, the water, in a general sense, causes illnesses and injuries when you consume it for more than 30 days. And specific causation, we need to show it specifically caused this plaintiff's illness and injury and damages. So whether it's the cancer or Parkinson's, we have to show that, one, that the water contamination causes cancer or Parkinson's, and 2, it caused this specific client's cancer or Parkinson's. So that's just a bunch of legalese for we have to prove your claim, and we have to prove every claim. And that's what we've been doing for the last 2 years, is setting ourselves up so we can prove you or your loved one's claim. So we feel comfortable where we're at. We believe we will win these trials. The judges are going to be deciding these trials. And so we're moving forward, moving ahead, and we're protecting all your rights by getting your claim on file. Couple other things. We're still getting VA misinformation. So people at VA hospitals are telling some of our clients that you're going to lose your benefits, or you're not going to be able to get the care if you file a claim. That is untrue, and the Department of Justice has said just that. They're not going to take away your benefits for filing a Camp Lejeune claim. They're not going to take away your benefits for hiring a lawyer. Department of Justice has already said that on the record in front of the judges. So don't listen to the misinformation. If you have a question about your VA benefits, call us. If we need to get a VA specialist on the phone, we can, or a VA lawyer on the phone, we can, but don't listen to the misinformation. You're not going to lose your benefits for filing a claim, and they can't take away your right to see your doctor for filing a claim or hiring a lawyer. So don't worry too much about that. No, we know it's hard when your health is at risk, or your health care is at risk, but your health care is not at risk for filing a Camp Lejeune claim. Something else we're going to do probably starting in September is once all these claims are filed, we're going to start reaching out in September, so probably more periodically, to just make sure we have your information correct. Your address, your phone number, your email. We'll talk to you if there's any recent medical history updates that we need. We're just going to check in. We need to be able to contact you at the drop of a hat. So we need to know your up-to-date emails and phone numbers and emergency contacts and your address, your mailing address. We need to know all that, and we need to make sure it's up to date. So you call us and tell us if something changes, but we're going to start reaching out here in September just to say hi and make sure that we have all the correct info and all the correct medical info for you. So I hope you don't get annoyed by that. I know we call a lot sometimes, but when we need information, we need it at that moment, or we need you to call us back as soon as possible. So we hope you've all been well. Again, I just want to reiterate that litigation is going well so far. We're hoping to start discussing more settlement discussions here towards the end of the year once trial dates are set and we get closer to trial dates. We want to make sure all of you are fairly compensated in a way that this made a difference in your life and means something to you. Last but not least, what I started off on, we will be filing your claim here in the next couple days, next couple weeks. If we've not filed it already, your claim will be on file with the Navy, with the Department of Justice, with the government. So your rights are protected, and your ability to move forward in the Camp Lejeune process is protected as well. So be on the lookout for more communication from us. Always, please let us know if your contact info changes, your address, your phone number, or your email. Feel free to call and check in anytime, but rest assured your case will be filed here soon, your claim. I hope all is well with you. Have a wonderful summer. Stay cool, stay hydrated, and we'll talk soon. Thanks.